Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in again. Welcome to the latest update on the 60cm floating shelf layout challenge, courtesy of Mike Potter at Budget Model Railways. Thank you very much. It has been very much a challenge. As you can see, I have begun the scenic work, adding the ballasting, or the majority of the ballasting, and a few of the buildings. So down this end we have a scratch built engine shed, which is made out of cardboard, basically. A couple of hours work from scratch doing that. And we've got a Hamburg style dock crane, which was a file I found on Thingiverse. It was actually a 1/300 scale, and I've modified the scale, scaling it up by 175% so that it sort of fits in with the N gauge aesthetic. And then over on the side we've got the £6 coaling station kit, which I bought from Sompting Model Railway Exhibition when I visited there a few weeks ago. Great show, really enjoyed it, lovely people, and had a great time, me and my dad. Yeah, we had a lovely day out. Oops, bit of camera trouble. But the biggest change on the layout in terms of operation has been the adding of a spring to the switching machine lever. So now this returns back to a totally flat position, which has vastly improved the shunting capabilities. So if I just bring the engine in, I've also moved the control knob onto a vertical board, and I will add the switch. Just debating whether or not I should flip it over to a toggle switch. In behind here you can see the control board, which has one green LED for power and two red LEDs to indicate direction. So I'm actually going to move all of those LEDs up onto the board so that we've got indicator lights on the actual control board. Should be fairly easy. So if I just bring the engine in, the top switching machine was the one that was always sticking. It would never really lie totally flat, but it seems to be doing so now. So just bring the engine in. Here we go, and it rolls straight over. We can pick up a wagon, hand of guard, and move off. As you see, fairly robust now in its operation. So thanks for watching, and keep tuned in. And thanks to everybody who liked the short, which went semi-viral. So yeah, really pleased with that. Anyway, enough of prattling on from me. I'll speak to you in the next episode.